Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. Today is a fun day because we are doing our engagement photo shoot. So I thought, why not test out some bridal hair, test out some bridal makeup. I don't have high hopes for this hair though, because I did it really rushed, but let's do this makeup. I'm a little nervous and rusty, but let's go ahead and begin. I am going to start with my foundation. This is from Rare Beauty. I am mixing some shades because I don't have my exact shade yet, so that's something to keep in mind for actual wedding day. I may want to get my actual shade. I recently got rid of my entire makeup collection, so I only have a small, tiny makeup bag worth of makeup, which is weird because I used to be a makeup artist, so I used to have this extensive makeup collection, but I've downsized and got rid of a lot. Oh wait, I just forgot I've got to touch up the eyebrows. Oh my goodness, how could I forget that? Can't have bushy eyebrows for our engagement shoot. So normally I would tweeze these, but I'm running late as it is already, so we're just going to take a little eyebrow razor and shave that off and just clean it up a bit. So after foundation, I'm going to go in with concealer. This is also from Rare Beauty because I love it so much. I'm going to let it sit and kind of marinate for a hot second, so put on some chapstick and then I'll go in and blend it out. So yes, if you couldn't tell by the title already, I am planning to do my own makeup on my wedding day. I just feel like that makes sense. With my experience as a makeup artist, doing bridal makeup here and there, and also just I know what I like on my face better than anyone else. Like, it's just a no-brainer. So I am going to be doing my own makeup, but I do want to test out a few different looks to see exactly what I want to do on my special day. So be sure to follow along, and I will probably do another 1 or 2 makeup trials before the big day. So now I'm going to go in with some setting powder, and I am using this on a sponge. You're going to get better coverage this way, and I'm really just focusing that under my eyes and my T-zone area. I'm going to go in with a light fluffy brush for the rest of my face. I don't want to look too dry, but I want especially my T-zone to be really set and like stay in place. Now I'm going to go in with an eyebrow pencil. This is from e.l.f. Easy peasy. I don't do anything too special with my brows. As you can see, there's not a crazy difference between the two. It's just a little more defined, and that's how I like it. Now you might be wondering, if I'm doing my own makeup for my wedding day, am I also doing my own hair? That one is still up in the air, to be honest. So I will be doing some hair tutorials, so make sure you stay tuned for that. If we can do it ourselves, why not save some money? So we'll test that out on another day. And then I'm going to add just a little brow gel from Milk Makeup just to make sure my eyebrow hairs stay in place. And then we'll move on to eyeshadow. And this is my only makeup palette that I have. So of course, you know, it's just going to have the basics in here, but that's what I love anyways. So I'm starting off with a matte beige color and just blending that all over my crease and lid, just acting as the base color. And I also going to drag that on my lower lash line as well, because I want this eyeshadow look to kind of be more rounded. So I'm going to start with that, and then I'm going to take the darkest shade in this palette and go in with kind of a standard size blending brush, and I'm going to focus this just on the outer corner. So this is nothing like revolutionary from the way I've done my makeup in the past. I like this kind of smoky look on the outside. I think it's just really flattering on my eyes, and I keep the inner part of my eye really light. So I am making sure I blend that all out so it's nice and seamless, no harsh lines anywhere. And I also drag that same dark color onto the lower lash line as well. Basically, whatever I do on the top part of my eyes, I'm bringing down to the bottom of my eyes as well. For the lid color, I'm just going to mix both of these shimmer colors because I can't really choose which one I like best. So I'm just going in with both of those, and I'm adding that directly on my lid, keeping it really on that inner half of my eye, keeping that nice and bright so that the outer corner stays nice and smoky. And I'm also going to add that same mixture of colors on the inner corner of my eye. It's pretty subtle here. I think I would like to go a little bit heavier next time. And now for blush, I can't forget blush. It's my favorite part of my whole makeup routine. This is from Merit Beauty. I am obsessed with it, and I'm just taking that on a blush brush and tapping that into my skin. Yes, I wear my blush really, really high, but I just love the way it looks. I just love it. And then I kind of round out my whole face by adding a touch on my chin and forehead as well. But the majority stay on the top parts of my cheekbones. And now going in with my Sugar Peach palette, I wish this wasn't discontinued. It's my favorite palette to ever exist from Too Faced Cosmetics. So I just use it for special occasions now. And of course, wedding is a special occasion, so I'm gonna go in with my favorite color and add that on top. And then with the darker shimmer color in here, I'm gonna use it slightly as a bronzer, just kind of hitting the perimeter of my face here. Now moving on to mascara. This is from Milk Makeup. So I'm going to add a few coats of mascara to my top and bottom lashes, and then we'll move into falsies because for sure I'm going to wear them on my wedding day. I'm just nervous. I need a little practice because it's been about almost 2 years since I've last put false lashes on. Now for my lashes, I believe these are from House of Lashes. I'll be sure to link everything that I'm using in the description box for you guys, but I always have to trim my lashes no matter what because I have very short eyes, and I also don't like to wear my lashes all the way to the inner corner. Not only is that super uncomfortable for me, but it makes my eyes water and it'll ruin my makeup in just a second. So I'll always keep my false lashes just on the outer half of my eye. So I'm applying some eyelash glue, and then I'm gonna take some tweezers to apply that nice and precisely. I feel like I have more control and precision when I use tweezers. Just be really careful that you're not poking your eye, you know. And I just realized I think I didn't record this part, but I took a black pencil liner and I just kind of smudged that on the top and bottom lashes. And once I put my eyelash on, I kind of did the same thing just to go over it a little bit. I would prefer to use a liquid liner instead. So I think for my next trial makeup run, we'll use a liquid liner instead. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the next side. I'm going to trim it, add some glue, and then while I wait for it to get tacky, I'm going to go ahead and put my lipstick on, and this is from Too Faced Cosmetics. Sadly, another discontinued product. Everything from their Sweet Peach collection was seriously the best thing that they've ever done. They need to bring that back. It was just so good. So I just threw on some lipstick. I don't even have lip liner with me. I got rid of all of those, and I'm topping it off with some lip gloss from Fenty Beauty. This is the Fussy color, and it's so pretty. Now I'm adding on that second lash, and then I'm gonna smudge some eyeliner right on top to help blend it in so you don't see where it starts on my lashes, you know what I mean? And then I think we're pretty much done with our makeup look. So let me take out these curlers and let's see what we're working with. Okay, I don't love it. Let me be honest. I do not love this hair, so we're going to have to try something else. But here's the dress that I'm wearing for my shoot. It's from New Flora. I'm obsessed with it. But here's my look for our engagement photos. I am off to go take them now. My chest is super pale, but we're running out of time. I don't have time to fix it now. So this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. I'm off to take our engagement photos, and I will see you guys next time.